be a part of the draw to win those 500,000 dirhams in cash. हमारे साथ रैपर मैडी अब भी है और मुझे एक्चुअली ये भी पूछना था तुमसे कि यू वर पार्ट ऑफ स्प्लिट्सविला, एमटीवी स्प्लिट्सविला एंड रोडीज एज वेल. सो हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस एंड व्हिच सीजंस वर यू इन?
स्प्लिट्सविला में सीजन 10 था.
What season is on? I'm sorry, I've not watched.
इसमें प्रियांक भी था मेरे साथ. प्रियांक एंड बसीर, very famous from my
Priyank is that
Priyank
model?
Sharma.
That model.
Yeah. एंड फिर उसके बाद ये आशिकी होस्ट किया था मैंने डिज्नी के लिए. सो या आई वाज डूइंग दैट.
But you were participants on roadies?
I was on the audition for this and my audition was watched the maximum time live.
Then why didn't you win it?
Because मैं ऑडिशन में ही था और ऑडिशन में लास्ट बंदे को ही सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और मेरे साथ प्रियांक था उस समय. So only one seat was left and then they asked me कि can you come to Splitsvilla? I said I'm not going to give you any audition now. You have to.
So instead of roadies, they give you Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So how much of it is scripted?
As far as scripted is okay, I'm going to give it to you. ठीक है. Anything which involves money
is scripted.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So Big Boss is scripted.
Yeah. I think so. Once I go to Big Boss, I will realize it more.
Come on, everybody is saying Sunidhi Chauhan just.
I know, I saw that. Yeah.
She said that reality shows are scripted, like music reality shows.
Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत तो scripted होता ही है ना यार. अब आप कैमरा पे जा रहे हो कुछ ना कुछ तो.
What's your brief when you go to a show like Roadies or Splitsvilla? You know where it's all rabble rousing. You just have to make sure that you fight with people and you get that voyeurism out of people.
देखो Splitsvilla का और Big Boss का concept बिल्कुल different है. Splitsvilla में आपके पास एक बंदा होता है who keeps an eye on you and what you're about to do. So they keep jotting it down, right? And when they jot it down, they go in the dome section जहाँ पे सब लोग बाहर निकलते हैं, evict होते हैं. तो वहाँ पे जाके वो पहले ही बता देते हैं कि यार ये करने वाला है, इनकी ये plan है. So they always have an upper hand with that. But on the contrary, my character was super dope. Why? Because I was doing everything I was saying I was not doing it. So I kind of understood a little bit of it, and that's how I did my show. And it is scripted. I somehow believe that because ultimately they're driving to you.
What do you believe? You were part of it. So
yeah. I believe that. Why? Because I'm saying.
Did they tell you that आपको ये बोलना है?
They don't tell you anything.
They just create that situation for you.
The situation is planned.
Okay.
अब उस situation में आप जाओगे जैसे
कैसे react करोगे?
For example, जैसे रौनक से मैं मिलने आ रहा हूँ टॉक 100.3 पे. यार अब situation तो वही है, जगह तो वही है. अब मैं क्या बोलूंगा वो मेरे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है और वही रिएक्शन चाहिए.
स्प्लिट्सविला और रोडीज वाला कुछ मत बोल देना. तो मेरी जॉब चली गई.
अच्छा ठीक है.
तो लेकिन why would you do all of these things when your passion is music? Why would you go to reality?
Very good question. A big shout out to a person who is like a godfather to me, Nishchay Gogia and Vikram Shetty. These are the two people who got me to TV and they heard my music. I used to perform in clubs back to back. मतलब मैंने इंडिया में हर क्लब में ऑलमोस्ट परफॉर्म किया.
So रैपिंग करते थे या
रैपिंग भी करते थे और गाना भी गाते थे. अब यार वो आप डिफरेंशिएशन कर रहे हो लेकिन आप इतनी डिफरेंशिएशन. These are skills for me. For people it is a differentiation. So whatever came to our way we did it. और मैंने बहुत परफॉर्म किया. So these people heard me somewhere and then they connected with me. Would you like to do a TV show? And I was like, they're joking, yaar. Who comes and gives you an offer like this, right? And then they were like, hey, listen, send us an audition and we'll send you the ticket. And in a week they sent me a ticket and boom, I'm on a TV.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's a question that has come in for you. How do you handle criticism? This one's from Navneeta.
Okay. My way of handling criticism is whatever you believe in and whatever keeps you happy, go with that. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है. मेरे को सुकून लगता है म्यूजिक. तो अगर मुझे लगता है कि यार मुझे ज्यादा कुछ
काफी लोग ट्रोल करते हैं तुम्हें सोशल मीडिया पे. You have what 129,000 on?
No, I have got 130 on Instagram.
130,000.
130,000. 106,000 on Facebook. और ये बिल्कुल ऑर्गेनिक है by the way. इसमें बताया तो मैंने आज तक कोई ऐड नहीं चला है.
वहाँ पे मतलब फार्म है पूरा.
हाँ. और YouTube पे भी ऐसे ही है और कोई किसी पे भी ऐड नहीं चला है. मतलब कोई भी बंदा आके कहते हैं कि इसने ऐड चलाया तो मैं मान जाऊंगा और मैं आपको अपना एनालिटिक्स शेयर करने को तैयार. लेकिन हाँ
अब से पूछ रहे हैं भाई.
अब से
यहाँ पे लोग फॉलोअर्स खरीद के अपना बंगला खरीद रहे हैं.
ये कितना जबरदस्त चल रहा है ना. लोग फॉलोअर्स खरीद लेते हैं यार. मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता कैसे हो रहा है काम और इसमें खुशी कैसे मिल जाती है बंदे को यार.
खुशी तब मिलती है जब सामने ब्रांड से पैसे आते हैं. ब्रांड्स को नहीं समझ आती.
नहीं यार समझ आते हैं आजकल.
Yesterday one brand was asking me that but you have less on Instagram. I said but
okay, I'll give it to you.
I'll see the reach. No.
हाँ, रीच से फर्क पड़ता है. मैं अपने अगर आप मेरा LinkedIn देखोगे तो उस पे भी मैं थोड़ा नोन पर्सन हूँ. So I'm
what is a rapper doing on LinkedIn?
Corporate life, bro. I have a corporate life.
What?
I am a PR and a marketing head of a company. I was a PR and marketing head of a very big company in India. And people used to see me in the club in the night and the day. They were like, really? You working over here? I said, yeah.
But really, don't you think it takes away from your passion of music?
No, bro. It keeps me sane. My mind works like that. My mind keeps wandering into different directions. So I want to keep myself busy, and that is how I handle my criticism as well.
So what I want to ask you is rapping not enough to make enough money, or is it because also, like you said, you want to do other things?
Now the question is different for you and me, right? I came into music because I love music. I never thought I would make a single penny out of it, but now I'm making money out of it, and I'm loving it. And as far as you were talking about that, it cannot, man. I mean, first there should be no plan B. But you should have the skill if that situation comes, right?
That you can do a 9 to 6 job as well.
Absolutely. You gotta be having some kind of skill. Even if you're a music guy, you need to know what is the marketing of the song, how it is done. If you do not know these things, your song is not gonna make it big. That's how it is. Yeah.
Okay, which song of yours has made it so big that do people recognize you now?
Yeah. So there's one song called Tera Mera Scene, which came out on Z Music. It's a beautiful song. And then another one, Slow Motion, which came on Tips. Now the cool part was Tips launched their Punjabi vertical with me. And then mere baad Emmy Virk Paji ka gana aaya tha usme.
Okay. Is any of that playable on radio?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, then go ahead.
So it's like... स्लो मोशन सुनाता हूँ, ठीक है, या तेरा मेरा सीन सुनाता हूँ, मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है. तो उसमें क्या है कि कहता है कि गड्डी 2 सीटर मेरे कोल तो मेरे बह जानी चुत करा तेनू मैं तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव ते ले जानी फिकर ना तू कर तू हाथ मेरा फड़ कि तेरे लिए सीन ऑन है कि तेरा मेरा सीन ऑन है बेबी कि तेरा मेरा सीन ऑन है. So something like that, yeah.
Okay. So ये गाने सब कहाँ YouTube
सब YouTube पे अवेलेबल है.
और इनका मोनेटाइजेशन कैसे होता है?
भाई ये तो चैनल को दे रखे हैं, तो ये वो करते हैं. ये वाला जो अभी मैंने आपको सुनाया था, जो दिल्ली तो आ है, वो मेरे चैनल पे है भाई. उससे हम थोड़ा पैसा कमाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, प्रमोट कर रहे हैं उस गाने को.
ऑलराइट. रैपर मैडी हमारे साथ है. अगर कुछ अभी हम जब वापस आएंगे तो आई वांट यू टू सिंग 1 or 2 पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स सो दैट वी गेट टू नो द सिंगर बिहाइंड द रैपर. 0586861003 is the number where you can WhatsApp Rapper Maddie in the house. Peace out.
Talk Music, brought to you by insurancemarket.ae.